In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily edit your portfolio on Yahoo Finance. So open up your Yahoo Finance. You can either use the browser version or the app, that's fine. Okay, so log into your account. So once you've logged into your account here, go back to your home tab here. So on your home tab here, you will see your portfolio list here, your portfolios list here. So if you want to edit your portfolio, you go to simply select your portfolio. So for example, this is my portfolio here I have. So under the portfolios, just tap and open up your portfolio, and on your top right you'll see there is a little pen icon, which is the edit icon. You can simply tap on it and then select edit portfolio, and then here you'll be able to edit. So whatever changes you want to make, you can simply make it, like deleting or rearranging, sorting up everything. Once you're done with that, hit on the save option, which is on your top right there. So once you click on the save option, so that will save all the changes that you made, and it should reflect here on your portfolio here. So this is how you can edit your portfolio